Hey y'all, I was sent this hexagon raised garden bed and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on it. Well, I had my helper out here doing it for me, doing all the work. So he is going to show you how to put it together. But it's really easy. The directions are really easy. You've just got the straight pieces, you've got the curved pieces, and then you've got the nuts and the bolts. That's about the hardest part is putting the nuts and bolts on there. It's tedious, but it's really easy. It just takes a little bit of time. So he's just separating the nuts from the bolts. And it comes in three different colors. It comes in green, black, and silver. And you can also use it as a fire pit instead of a raised garden. So I like that idea too. This was really easy to put together, or for Doug to put together anyway. So he's just going to get everything laid out. He's going to do the curved pieces first, and then he will add in the straight pieces after that. And like I said, it's just the nuts and bolts that are the tedious part of it. It is not hard to put together, especially when you got two people. So he kind of put the base together. He would put the top bolt and nut together, and then after he did that, we both went ahead and just did them all at one time. That way we can both get it done at the same time. Now he's almost finished, so I'm going to go over there and pull up a chair and help him put all those nuts and bolts in. Like I said, that's the only tedious thing about it, is to put in those nuts and bolts. And there's 4 on each piece. So you just got to take your time and it'll get done. It took us about 45 minutes for both of us to get that done. So it wasn't bad at all. Then he put it on one side so he can tighten up the nuts and bolts without having to bend over. And I thought that was a great idea. And we're done. I love it. I can't wait to take it out back and put some tomatoes in it. All right, now it's time, my favorite part, time to plant. And I've got some potting mix here. It takes about 7 bags. I'm also going to add in some black cow compost. And I'm also going to add in some worm castings too. So like I said, it takes 7 bags to fill this up since it's tall, and that's why I'm planting tomatoes in here, because you want you want to plant your tomatoes really deep. So I wanted this one to be for tomatoes only. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. I'm going to layer it, and then I'm just going to mix that in together with my shovel. Right now it's time to put the plant in. I'm going to use this tomato tone. It's an organic fertilizer, and it says to add 3 tablespoons of that into the hole that you're going to plant your tomato in. And I've already took the leaves off of the bottom part, because you want to make sure you plant it as deep as possible. And this one is a Cherokee purple. I'm also going to have a Roma and a Mr. Stripey in the middle. So I'm going to add 3 more tablespoons of that tomato tone and mix that in. And there's my Mr. Stripey. I couldn't get a big plant for that one, so I just had to get one of the small ones. But I'm only going to put 3 in here because the other 2 are going to be really big. So the Mr. Stripey and the Cherokee Purple are going to be pretty good. The Roma is going to be a little bit smaller size, and I really needed to water that thing. I left it out too long. But now I'm going to make sure I mark all my tomatoes, and then I'm going to water them in, and I'll get the tomato cages on there, and we will be ready to have some fresh tomatoes soon. I do recommend this hexagon raised garden bed, and I can't wait to get more to fill up my garden. Then I'll go ahead and get the tomato cages in. You want to put those in there before the roots start to grow out, because you don't want to disturb the roots once they're growing. All right, it's complete. I've got my tomato plant in there with the fertilizer, and I've watered it really good. I've got my tomato cages on there. Make sure you put your tomato cages on right when you plant it. You don't want to mess with the roots too much. So I've got my tomato plants, and I can't wait to update you with the progress. So I will see y'all again in the next video.